Have you ever wondered how famous real estate investors became so wealthy? It's not only because of the location of their properties and that they bought at a good price. There's a very powerful real estate tool that, when applied properly, can make you wealthy. Imagine that you'd bought this property a few years ago and only put a 20% down payment. Fast forward to today, and thanks to the magic of leverage, your return on investment is now triple digit. Today we're diving in head first to the vibrant universe of real estate investing, exploring how the magic of leverage can be your best friend on the road to financial freedom. And trust me, it's gonna be a fun ride. Leverage is like the superhero of the investment world, and it's proudly sitting on spot number 2 on our list for the top 5 reasons investing in real estate is the best strategy for financial freedom. Today we're gonna cover how leverage works, share secrets on picking the best properties, and stay tuned to the end to find out what mistakes that you need to avoid before you make your next purchase. So what's so exciting about leverage? Because, my friends, leverage and appreciation together are like the dynamic duo that can make real estate investors' dreams come true. As always, please remember to go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're liking this type of content. Owning a property with leverage is like having a golden key to a treasure chest of opportunities. You put just a little bit of your own cash down, and just like that, you're in control of a valuable piece of real estate. To make it easy to remember, simply think of leverage as another way of saying that you're getting a loan or borrowing money to purchase a property. Picture this: leverage in real estate is like having a secret superpower. With a small investment, you can reap the rewards of the entire property's value. Buying a property on leverage is similar to buying a fully mature apple tree on credit. Even though you haven't paid off the full amount of the bountiful tree, you still get 100% of the delicious fruit it yields. The same goes when buying an investment property. Even though you don't own it outright, you get to enjoy 100% of the benefits from day one. Let's jump into a real life example now, shall we? Let's say that this property was bought for this amount and you put down a 20% down payment. The property was sold a few years later and it appreciated. It went up in value by this amount. So the total ROI, the return on investment, was this amount. Now, let's imagine that you own a $100,000 property. You use leverage by getting a loan and you only put down $20,000 of your own money, 20%. And let's say there's a 5% annual increase in property value. So your investment is worth more at the end of the year, and your return on the investment is actually 5 times more than it would have been if you would have bought it cash. So instead of getting only a 5% return on investment if you purchased it cash, using leverage, your return on investment would actually be 25%. On your real estate investing journey, keep your eyes open for properties in good locations that are likely to appreciate or have a good amount of cash flow. Like I mentioned before, even though you put down a small down payment, you get the full benefits. Also, check out my other videos on the top 5 list about appreciation and cash flow. As you venture into the exciting world of real estate, remember that with great power also comes great responsibility. Leverage can be your best friend or your worst enemy. It can make you rich, and it can also make you go broke if you don't use it properly. Just like in the previous example, you can make 5 times more profit in that example, but if the market changes or something goes wrong with the investment, you can also lose more money many times over. Also, make sure that you don't over leverage. Understand your loan terms and make sure that you're comfortable with your decision no matter what the market throws at you. Leverage, my friends, is the magic ingredient that gives your investments superpowers. It can lift your returns to a higher ground and get you closer to financial freedom quicker. Thank you for watching, and remember that there's always helpful resources in the description below. To learn more about the other benefits of real estate investing and financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video.